Hey guys, y'all already know who it is. Well, just video responding because I can't put stuff in words on the computer. I'd rather talk to y'all better. But just video responding, I liked the video. Y'all were hot. I liked it. It was nice. For y'all first video, y'all did it up. Way better than me and Mikey. But y'all already know what I'm about to say. We need to collabo. Definitely need to work something out where guest star right here, all up in this area. Already know. But yeah. Y'all could work on, and if y'all want my help, because I learned it in my internship, the transitions. Because the way you're doing it, you have it down, but you don't have it completely down. Like the audio completely jumps, the video completely jumps, and there's a software for that. I'll let y'all know. We'll talk, get together, mingle, mix a little and stuff. But other than that, I love y'all. Definitely hit me up. Bree, you got my mama cell. Josh, you got my mama cell. Y'all got my Facebook. I, I'll pass the email off in an email, whatever. But yeah, love you guys, smooches. Talk to you guys later about it. Deuces.